how to cash out in Novelah app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can cash out in Novelah app. So ensure you watch till the end. The first step to note is that you would have to earn enough points on the Novelah app before you can cash out. Make sure you've accumulated enough points by using the app, and then you can accumulate enough points by reading novels, checking in daily, inviting friends, and completing bonus tasks. Okay, so once you are logged into your Novelah account, move to the lowest part of the screen and then click on the invite option. Alright, so once you click on the invite option, this is to invite friends. By the time you invite your friends, you get points for inviting each friend. For example, you can see a write up on the screen which says each of your new friend invitation gives you 180,000 points. So you can just click here to invite. Now this is the message that has been sent. You can decide to copy this message and paste it and send it to your friends, or you can just share it by clicking on the share button, and then you can share it to all of your social media platforms. So after sharing this, and then your friend signs up using your link, and then you get points. The next step is to redeem your points. And then how do you go to the redeem section? Move to the lower right corner and click on the me icon. After clicking on the me icon, you can see some options here: redeem, point record, bonus center, enter invitation code, all friends, etc. Just click on redeem. And then after clicking on redeem, the redeem page would load, and then you'll be taken to the redeem section. On this section, you will see all of your points here, and then you see the different methods whereby you want to use to redeem your points. You can either use it to top up your phone, you can receive your points as USDT or as PayPal. Whichever one, just select it, follow the procedures, accept the terms and conditions, and then confirm the transaction. Then the money will be transferred to your account within 1 to 5 days, depending on the method that you've chosen. Okay, and if it's coins too, you'll be asked to input your wallet address and all of that. Follow the screen instructions, and then eventually you'll receive your payments in 1 to 5 working days. So this is how it works. Okay, remember that the availability of rewards and the specific redemption process may vary on your location and the app's policies. So enjoy your earnings from Novelah. Thank you and have a good day.